So hello and as always, welcome back to Learning MG. So today I'm bringing you the AirPods Pro once again, and I'm going to tell you 3 things I hate about the AirPods Pro. So the first thing I hate really is the battery. So yes, it's got 6 hours of battery, which is top notch, believe me. But I want to tell you that I want more battery. So I want at least 3 or 4 charges with this case, and not just 6 hours of actual music. And remember, when you use the cancellation noise system, which you activated pressing this button right here, it is true that they turn to actually, you spend a little bit more battery. So that's one thing I hate. Secondly, the actual AirPods, let's say, the smooth and very thin calculated AirPods, or the ear tips, as many of you want to call it, are very comfortable. But it is true, and I have actually seen it in my own AirPods, that sometimes they get a little bit dashy color. It is true that the AirPods Pro also come with 3 or 4 ear tips, but they are from different sizes. Therefore, if you want a new size, remember, you take it up just like this, you need to actually buy them. And the third thing would be that it is true that with the AirPods Pro, it comes as standard, both the charging with the USB-C as well as the wireless charger. But with other AirPods, such as the AirPods third generation, you need to buy or pay a premium to actually be able to charge it wirelessly. And I think that should be just standard nowadays, okay? So those are the 3 things I hate about my AirPods Pro. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments.